In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can open the Google Slides on your browser. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Chrome. Now click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize it. So once your Chrome browser is opened, okay? So once your Chrome browser is open, make sure that you are logged in into your Chrome browser, okay? So as you can see that I am already logged in with my account, Gmail account. Then on the left side of your profile, you will find the Google Apps. Click on that. And you will have all the list of all the Google Apps. Now scroll down and you will find Slides. Click on that. And here you have different slides, or I mean like for the template for the slides. Now you have here template gallery. Click on the drop down, and you have here for personal, for work, for case study. So it's up to you. Now let me just go with this recipe book. So you just have to click on the presentation, the template presentation that you want to open, okay, or you want to do. So here you can just simply edit this one, okay? So it's up to you on your recipe that you would like to put into the Google Slides, okay? And if you want to save it, simply click on this file, click on download option, and then click on the Microsoft PowerPoint, and this will be downloaded into your Windows as a PowerPoint presentation, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.